There is nothing worse than coming home to find out that you've been robbed. Watch as this thief gets a much-needed surprise of his own. This girl was trying to break into this property in the evening. She's even seen trying to figure out her security code. This video shows an intruder at 3:14 in the morning. A man came into this patio looking for something and then went to the back gate, but the gate was thankfully locked. Why in the world did this delivery driver steal a package from this home? We'll likely never know.
Fuck yourself, please.
Take a look at this thief doing a remarkably poor job at disguising himself from the doorbell camera. Take a look at this video of a man breaking into this guy's house to take some sugar.
What's up, man? Can I help you? Huh? What? Can I help you? I'm your neighbor from across the street. I'm just needing some sugar for my coffee this morning. I don't have any sugar. You said you did what? Sugar for my coffee. I can't help you with that. Huh? I'm not home right now. I'm at work. Okay, but you got sugar in the house, right? Yeah, but I'm at work right now. Okay, don't worry about it. I'll get it. Hey! Yo! This dude is kicking my door down! Yo! Hey! Hey, get up out of my house, bro! I got it. No! Why you kick my stuff down? I can't drink bland coffee. Yo! Hey, I'm about to turn you in. You going to jail!
This shocking doorbell video shows a maniac on a motorcycle doing a drive-by. He then circles back and starts shooting again. A disturbing home invasion was caught on camera. A homeowner from New Jersey was living with her two daughters that were upstairs sleeping. Little did they know, someone had entered their house with a creepy mask on. They heard rustling coming from downstairs and created a barrier, then called the police. The uploader of this video writes, "This man came to our door with a bag and some roses. He repeatedly rang our doorbell and then left. A couple of minutes later, he came back and rang again. Then went around the whole house hitting the windows, including the Airbnb on our property. He then attempted to break into one of the cars. He was doing this for about 45 minutes while we waited for the police. He got away by a small opening in between the fences. Looks like an Airbnb love connection gone wrong." Take a look at this extremely weird, transparent object caught on Ring camera in Missouri. This delivery driver takes a photo of the delivered food on the front porch, then pretends to press the doorbell. She then runs away with the food without a care in the world.
Then she pretends to press the doorbell. I was watching the delivery happen on my phone.
Oh my, what the? Hey! That's my food!
I started recording her.
Give me my food! What the oh my god! What the freak? There's no way this just happened.
This Ring camera footage shows a thief stealing a bike from this doorstep. It took place in Sale, Manchester. This guy was just seconds away from stealing this bike. but had to run away when the homeowner came charging out of their house after him. This guy was caught cheating on his girlfriend in this doorbell footage.
It's crazy. Like, how dumb can you be? You know I have this camera right here.
I'm gonna get in trouble. I never get caught, man. You don't be.
Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. This guy was caught on camera stealing this homeowner's umbrella, of all things. What was he going to do with that? Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.